So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best secrets to lose weight. Like, I just found this recipe newly. It has been really going on for a while now, and I've decided to I searched it out and I saw a lot of reviews about this recipe. I saw a lot of people doing diet with this recipe and it's really working for them. So what I did was, and I was trying to lose weight. Of recent, I put on a lot of weight. If you see my birthday pictures, like this short video I did, you see that I really put on weight. So I decided to go on a diet, and I saw this recipe, a lot of reviews about it and every other thing. I decided to try it out. Oh my goodness, you need to see my kilo, guys. You need to see how I go down. You need to see. Even me doing live on videos on Facebook, a lot of people are saying, Sarah, see as you can reduce, see how your belly come flat. Like a lot of my friends, I said there's a recipe that I just did that makes me to go down. I'm going to share with you all, and this thing is really working. Take it or leave it. Take it serious or leave it. I know that I'm working and there's this stress of work. My dear, even since I started working, there's still no stress because I still put on weight. So when I decided to start losing weight with this particular recipe, and I stopped eating too much of food, oh my God, I love my body right now. So the first thing I did, the first thing that you just be needing on this simple recipe is garbage. Slice your garbage with a blender. It's just 1 cup a day. Early morning recipe. This one is just in the morning. 1 cup a day is good for you, okay? Then the one that you'll be taking in the evening of it is coming up after this particular one, because I did different type. This one and that one is what I use the most on my weight journey this period, you know. So this is garbage. I slice my garbage, my red apple. You need red apple. Don't use any apple. Red apple. I added my lime. I added my ginger. Okay. So after that, the next thing I added was mint leaf. So this particular recipe you are seeing is a bomb. This recipe really works for me. A lot of people are saying that you are giving us everyday recipe on my Facebook page. My dear, I'm doing what is working for me, okay? These things that I'm doing is working for me. I'm into beauty, flat tummy, and lifestyle. So whatever I bring on, take it or leave it. This thing, trust me or leave it. This recipe is a bomb, is working. After blending, just straight out the juice. The next thing, just pour it on your glass. Take a cup of it in the morning. Ever since I find out this recipe, my weight has gone down. Ever since I find out this particular one, my kilo has gone down. Okay, trust me on this one. It's really working. But don't eat too much. If you just want to lose your fat, don't lose too much weight, okay? Just eat it. Just be drinking this one. Don't eat too much. Eat at least twice a day or once a day, and make sure that the food you are eating is not too much food, just a little portion of food, okay? So this is me drinking because this is early morning. I decided to make this video and I decided to drink this morning. You can see I drink it once. Bye guys.